Cardano is most certainly one of those activities that have fantastic likely beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit, based on peer-surveyed scholastic exploration. Cardano has united areas of strength for it throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the aspirations of its group have made ADA one of the top digital forms of money on the planet. We should investigate what the Cardano digital currency and task are about and look at our ADA cost gauge for the next few years. Kindly remember that, similarly as with some other digital money, it is almost difficult to make a 100% exact Cardano cost conjecture. We notice what least cost and greatest value ADA might possibly have in 1 year or the following 5 years. However, those are only our assessments. This article doesn't comprise venture counsel. Cardano is the local badge of a proof-of-stake blockchain that goes by a similar name. The Cardano network was established in 2015 by Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson. Cardano establishment expresses that its definitive objective is to give pioneers and visionaries a stage that will assist them with making the world a superior spot. To achieve this, the Cardano Group is building an interoperable and versatile multi-resource record with a stage for irrefutable shrewd agreement. The Cardano blockchain was intended to be a more proficient choice to verification of work networks like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It has higher interoperability and adaptability potential and is additionally quicker, less expensive, and more economical than POW blockchains. The Cardano biological system runs on Ouroboros, the main POS agreement convention that is unimaginably secure and, most importantly, is upheld by scholastic exploration. Each change to the Cardano guide is peer-checked on and secured by an examination-based structure. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Cardano is $0.34 and ADA is buy and buy position no. 8 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Cardano is 34,572,303,877 ADA, with a market cap of 11,795,257,132.59. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ADA has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 3.63%. Cardano has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of ADA has expanded by 35.02%, adding an epic typical measure of 12 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Cardano costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Cardano will be 47 cents. The greatest level that the ADA cost can reach is 55 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 49 cents. Likely return for money invested, 64.7% by ADA value conjecture for January 2023 in light of the value vacillations of Cardano toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 35 cents in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 31 cents and at 36 cents. Separately, expected return for capital invested, 8.8% by February 2023. Cardano value conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the ADA cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 34 cents, while the most extreme could reach 37 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around 35 cents. Expected return on initial capital investment, 11.8% by ADA value gauge for WALC 2023. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value vacillations of Cardano in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ADA rate they anticipate may be around 36 cents in WALC 2023. It can drop to 34 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 39 cents. Possible return for money invested, 17.6% by April 2023. Cardano value figure around mid-year 2022. The ADA cost will be exchanged at 37 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cardano worth to 41 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 36 cents in April 2023. Expected return on initial capital investment, 23.5% by ADA value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Cardano costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 38 cents. The most minimal and top ADA rates may be 36 cents and 42 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 26.5% by June 2023. Cardano value figure. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ADA cost will be around 39 cents. In June 2023, the Cardano cost might drop to at least 38 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 44 cents in June 2023. Likely return for money invested, 32.3% by ADA value gauge for July 2023. Having broke down Cardano costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ADA rate could arrive at a limit of 46 cents in July 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 39 cents. For July 2023, the gauge normal of Cardano is almost 41 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 38.2% by August 2023. Cardano value conjecture. Around mid-2022, the Cardano cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 42 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the ADA cost could change somewhere in the range of 40 cents and 47 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 41.2% by ADA value conjecture. For September 2023, market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Cardano worth won't dip under at least 42 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is 49 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 44 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 47% by October 2023. Cardano value conjecture. Digital money specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of ADA costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Cardano will be around 51 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 44 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 45 cents. Likely return for money invested, 52.9% by ADA value gauge for November 2023. In view of the value variances of Cardano toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 47 cents in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 45 cents and at 53 cents. Separately, possible return for capital invested, 58.8% by December 2023. Cardano value estimate. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the ADA cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 47 cents, while the greatest could reach 55 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around 49 cents. Expected return for capital invested, 64.7% by Cardano value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Cardano in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Cardano will be around 71 cents. The most extreme expected ADA cost might be around 83 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 73 cents in 2024. Cardano value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Cardano, in 2025, ADA is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $1.07 and $1.26 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.10. Cardano value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Cardano and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base ADA cost could drop to $1.54, while its greatest can reach $1.85. By and large, the